Now I invite Charayu to tell the pledge.
ప్రతిజ్ఞ. భారతదేశం నా మాతృభూమి. భారతీయులందరూ నా సహోదరులు. నేను నా దేశాన్ని ప్రేమిస్తున్నాను. సుసంపన్నమైన బహువిధమైన నా దేశ వారసత్వ సంపద నాకు గర్వకారణం. దీనికి అర్హత పొందడానికై సర్వదా నేను కృషి చేస్తున్నాను. నా తల్లిదండ్రులను, ఉపాధ్యాయులను, పెద్దలందరినీ గౌరవిస్తాను. ప్రతి వారితోనూ మర్యాదగా నడుచుకుంటాను. జంతువుల పట్ల దయతో ఉంటాను. నా దేశం పట్ల, నా ప్రజల పట్ల సేవానిధితో కలిగి ఉంటానని ప్రతిజ్ఞ చేస్తున్నాను. వారి శ్రేయాభివృద్ధిలే నా ఆనందానికై మూలం. జై హింద్.
On a morning, it will change our mind. Let us invite Karthik to share his thought. What of it?
Happy morning, everyone. Today's thought is brought to you by Karthik from Grade 8 Thought. Life has no remote control. Get up and change it by yourself. I'll repeat it again. Life has no remote control. Get up and change it by yourself. Thank you.
Use this word in your daily life. So, may I invite my friend Emervin to share what of today?
Happy morning, everyone. Today's word is brought to you by Emmarin of Grade 8 What? Adapt. It means highly skilled or proficient. Please spell after me. ADEPT. Adapt. Thank you.
It is news time. We should have to update ourselves by knowing news. Now I invite my friend Nimshi to share the news.
Greeting everyone. Today's state and sport news is brought to you by Nimshi of Grade 8 State News. NDSA Chief Minister Revanth Reddy to visit Srisailam on April 29. Sport News. IPL 2025 DC versus RR. DC won by 5 wickets. Thank you.
I invite my friend Pavitra to give a speech.
Happy morning, everyone. Today I am going to give speech about summer safety. Summer is a hot season, so we should take care of our health. We should drink plenty of water to stay cool and not to get tight. We should wear light clothes and use cap or umbrella when you are going outside. Avoid sunlight, avoid sun during the afternoon. We should also eat fresh fruits and healthy food. By taking these small steps, we can enjoy summer safely and happily. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Everyone for paying attention and have a nice day ahead. Thank you.